Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how we can um, see the data type in from our database, and then we will also create a table, and from there we will be able to learn how to create a table. So let's go ahead and write a query, and from there you will be able to figure out how we can see the data types. So go to your database, and then if you right click on your database and select query tool, from there you will be able to go to your query where you can write the queries. Okay, so in our database 9, under schema, then under table, we already had 3 tables, right? So let's see what were the data types of demo employee. Okay, so we have to write a query from the select statement. So select, then you have to say column name, then data type, and then after that you have to say from information underscore schema, then period, columns, and then you have to say from where. So like where table name or where table schema, whatever you want to know, right? So write the where, then table name, and on here we are going to inspect demo underscore l. Then if you run it, so on here you will be able to see the column names on your left column. So ID was big int, the date of birth was timestamp, age was integer, then color was text, first name, last name, text, address, text, gender was text, and race was text, right? Writing those 3 lines of code, you'll be able to know your data types, what kind of data types you had for each column. And then after that let's write some statement to create a table, create a new table in our database. So to do that, so you have to say create table, then give a name of the table, say test. I'm giving it name of the table as test1, then parenthesis, then name of the columns. So say my first name of that column is ID. I always want to have the ID, and then what kind of data type you want to give that. So I would say big int. And then if you want to give any constraint to that, you can give that. So I would say not null. Okay, so I don't want that ID column to be null. And then say I want to see the initial of the names, say name underscore initial, and as we always have two character in the name of the initial, I would say varchar. I want to see only two characters. How many characters you want to see in there, you have to provide that number. So you are providing a constraint, and then say I want to see the age on there, and age would be, say, numeric. Okay. Let's run this query, and we will refresh the page to see whether it was created or not. So on here it's saying that okay, I have not provided a comma on here, so it did not take that. Let's run it again. So on here, yeah, it's saying that the query returned successfully in 119 milliseconds. Okay, so it's saying that the table has been created. So just to check to see whether it was really created or not, go to object and then refresh, and then if you come back to your table under schema, and then if you go to your table, you see that new test one has been created. You can alternatively, what you can do, you can just write a select statement to see whether it was created or not. Let's write select, then asterisk sign from test underscore one. Okay, then if you run it, it was, yeah, the table was created. There was an ID with a constraint of the data type was big int, then name initial, same character varying, there will be two characters, and then the restrictions two characters, and then the age would be numeric, right? So I wanted to go through these two statement today for this lecture. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you think you would be needing more help, write in the comment section, and subscribe, and I'll be coming with more videos very soon. And never stop learning.